How to create subreddit on mobile. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Reddit on your device. Make sure you're logged into your Reddit account. Then click on your profile at the top right corner of your screen. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, click on Create a Community. After that, you need to add your community name at the top. Then add description. Then press on next at the top right corner of your screen. After you've done that, you will find this kind of screen. If you need to add banner or avatar, simply click on add. If not, press on next. Then you can simply choose a topic for your community. After you've chose community topic, press on next. Then select community type, public, restricted, or private. Then press on next at the top right corner of your screen. After you've done that, your subreddit will be created. This is how to create a subreddit on mobile. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.